Hello, welcome to Trisha and Kavyas diary. Today we are going to make animals using a tangram. A tangram is an ancient Chinese puzzle made of 7 shapes called tan. To make a whale, you will need 2 large triangles, a parallelogram, a square, a small triangle, another small triangle and a medium triangle. Your whale is ready. To make a horse, you will need 2 large triangles, a small triangle, a parallelogram, a square, another small triangle, a medium triangle. Your horse is ready. To make a cow, you will need 2 large triangles, a medium triangle, a parallelogram, a square, 1 small triangle, and another small triangle. Your cow is ready. To make a turtle, you will need 2 large triangles, 1 square, 1 parallelogram, 1 small triangle, another small triangle, and a medium triangle. Your turtle is ready. To make a crab, you will need 2 large triangles, 1 small triangle, 1 medium triangle, 1 square, 1 parallelogram, and 1 small triangle. Your crab is ready. To make a camel, you will need 2 large triangles, 1 small triangle, 1 parallelogram, another small triangle, 1 medium triangle, 1 square. Your camel is ready.
For fox, you will need 2 large triangles, square, small triangle, another small triangle, parallelogram and medium triangle. Your fox is ready.
To make a dog, you will need 2 large triangles, 1 medium triangle, 1 square, 1 small triangle, another small triangle, and a parallelogram. Your dog is ready. To make a kangaroo, you will need 1 large triangle, a square, 1 medium triangle, another large triangle, 1 parallelogram, 1 small triangle, and another small triangle. Your kangaroo is ready. To make a scene, you will need 2 large triangles, 1 small triangle, 1 parallelogram, another small triangle, 1 square, and a medium triangle. Your scene is ready. To make an ostrich, you will need 2 large triangles, 1 square, 1 small triangle, another small triangle, 1 parallelogram, and 1 medium try to. Your ostrich is ready. make a duck, you will need 2 large triangles, 1 small triangle, 1 square, 1 parallelogram, 1 medium triangle, and another small triangle. Your duck is ready. To make a lion, you will need 2 large triangles, 1 small triangle, another small triangle, 1 medium triangle, 1 square, and a parallelogram. Your lion is ready. To make a bear, you will need 2 large triangles, 1 small triangle, 1 medium triangle, 1 parallelogram, 1 square, and another small triangle. Your bear is ready.